You say, I am very hungry. Say,
I am very hungry.
I am very hungry.
I am very hungry.
But it is raining. And look at the trees. Very strong.
Trees.
And lighting them. Now, so I will stay back. Say, listen. I will stay back. I will stay back.
I will stay back.
And when rain stops,
When the rain stops,
I'll go for food.
I will go for food.
Sit down. Again, it was raining whole day. And fox says, I am hungry.
I am hungry.
But it is raining.
But it is raining.
Look at the trees. So I will stay back.
I will stay back.
And when rain stops,
When rain stops,
I'll go for food.
I go for food.
And whole day it rain. Tip, 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 tip. Tip, 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 tip. Tip, 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 tip. And storm. Night and in the evening, sit down. In the evening, rain stops and the storm stops. No lightning and thunder. So lioness says, tigress says, let me go out for food. Alright, you will walk like me. Let me go out for food.
Let me go out for food.
No food here.
No food here.
I'll go that side.
I will go that side.
Ah, you like it. No food here. No food there. Right. Then the fox says, the rain has stopped.
The rain has stopped.
I'll go for food now.
I go for food now.
And you walk like this. No food here.
No food here.
I'll go that
I
side.
go that side. Right.
Like this, like this. No food here. What did she say? No food here. I go this side. No food here. I'll go this side. Like this. No food here. What did she say? No food here. I'll go this side.
I will go this side.
I'll go this side.
I will go this side.
Huh? Huh? Fox's footprint. Fox's footprint. Ah, I'll follow it.
I will follow it.
Ah,
Ah.
Fox's burrow.
Fox and borrow.
An idea.
An idea.
I'll stay here.
I will stay here.
Sit inside. And when the fox comes, I'll catch it. Sit. And fox was looking for food. No food here. I'll go this side. And then you said, ha!
Land put.
Tiger's footprint. Okay, let's see. Huh? It has gone to my area. What? Now if I go,
If I go,
it will catch me.
it will catch me.
An idea. Hello, my burrow.
Hello, my burrow.
You every day call me,
You every day call me.
but today you are not calling me back.
Today you are not calling me back.
An idea. And I must call her.
I must follow.
Hello, fox, come in. Oh, easy thing, my tiger. Come. Give them a very big hand. Part in kinesthetic learners take part in. Now, how many characters took part in the story?
Two main characters.
Whole class.
Whole class.
Only two characters
Main
have
character.
dialogue. Other are also
Participate.
taking part. Somebody else, somebody trees storm, somebody lighting thunder. Am I right?
Yeah.
And these two guys, they are also participating in this story. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And now after doing this, I say, I need another group of students want to play. No, don't. Understand? I need another group of students want to act as tiger or lion, lioness, and want to fox. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, say friends, Jagan Mohan Garu, he doesn't have good language. He is afraid of English. Because he understood that you don't need to say anything. She interested you to participate. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So those who are weak in English, they will also come to make a homework. Am I right? This is you can involve, and then after doing next another group, everybody should get the opportunity. Got the point? When you come, they are acting as rain. When they come, or some of you come, others will act as rain. Okay, change the direction. This side thunder storm, this side trees, your rain. Something like change and give them sufficient practice. Got the idea?
Yes.
So this is how they get an opportunity to participate in the activity, and that is how they learn. And mostly those who are kinesthetic learners, they will come here. Got the point?
Yes.
Because they want body movement, going on talking. Am I right? Yes or no? So that is how we can always think about it. Right?